NAMKEEN triangles.
Two cups of Maida all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, black sesame, and kasuri methi. Salt as per taste. 2 TBSP of melted ghee. Add salt in Maida. Add carom seeds, black sesame, and kasuri methi. Give a mix. Add melted ghee. Combine ghee nicely with Maida. Gradually add lukewarm water and mix. Make semi-soft dough. Dough is done. Prepare small dough balls. Dough balls are ready. Take a dough ball and roll. Apply little ghee oil. Sprinkle little flour. Fold from center. Apply ghee oil. Sprinkle flour. Fold and give triangle shape. Gently roll. Prickle with fork. Repeat the process. Triangles are done. Time to fry. Heat oil in a kadai and fry triangles. Fry on low to medium flame. Fry until golden brown. Flip and fry on other side. Triangles are fried well. Remove them. Crispy and tasty triangles are done. Fry remaining triangles. Crispy and tasty triangles are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.